Hello everyone, welcome to this deep dive into the world of multi-criteria decision making or MCDM. Today, we're tackling a classic debate, SAW versus TOPSIS. Both are incredibly powerful tools used by managers, engineers, and researchers to make sense of complex choice. But the big question is, which one is actually better? Next slide. Okay, in today data rich world, we are constantly faced with a challenge. Think about it. Whether you are choosing a new office location, hiring a top executive, or buying a fleet or vehicles, you have too many factors and too many trade offs. Intuition alone just isn't enough anymore. That's where structure methods like SAW and TOPSIS come in. They take those messy factors, quantify them, and give us clear ranking. But to choose the right one, we need to understand their DNA. Next slide. Okay, let's look at the philosophy behind them. They actually think very differently. First, we have SAW, which stands for simple additive weighting. You can think of this as a basic scorecard. Imagine you are buying a car. You give a weight to price, safety, and fuel efficiency. You score each car, multiply those scores by their importance, and net them up in a straight line path to a winner. On the other hand, we have TOPSIS. This is then for the technique for order of preference by similarity to ideal solution. It's a bit more human. It's logic. Instead of just adding scores, TOPSIS looks for the alternative that is closest to perfection, the ideal best, and simultaneously furthest away from disaster, the ideal worst. It's like choosing a restaurant. You want the one that is close to your dream meal and farthest from the food poisoning nightmare. Okay, now let's get technical for a moment and look at the workflow. SAW is a lean four-step process. We normalize the data to get everything on the same scale, apply our weights, sum them up, and boom, the highest score wins. It's fast and efficient. TOPSIS is more rigorous, involving 6 steps. It starts similarly with normalization and weighting, but then it gets interesting. We have identified the ideal and anti-ideal points for every single creation. We then calculate the geometric distance of each option to those two poles. And finally, we calculate a relative closeness score. The option that balances this distance best takes top spot. It's more work, but it provides a very nuanced result. Okay, so where does each method shine? SAW is the king of simplicity. Recent research like Murthy et al. 2025 show that SAW scales beautifully. As you add more options, the processing time only grows linearly. It's intuitive. You don't feel a PhD in math to explain the result to your boss. Topsys is the king of robustness, according to Dominic 2021. It's much more accurate when dealing with complex, varied levels of importance. It offers ranking stability, meaning if you change one small piece of data, the whole list is less likely to flip upside down compared to simpler methods. It considers the best and worst case scenarios, giving you a very comprehensive evaluation. Okay, next, but no method is perfect. The biggest weakness of SAW is the sensitivity. Small shift in weights can cause a massive jump in ranking. It also struggles when criteria have wildly different level of importance. Jump in rankings. It also struggles when the criteria have wildly different level of importance. It also struggles. Topsys, meanwhile, has a higher computational cost. It takes more time and more computing power. Also, the result can actually change depending on which distance metric you use, whether it is Euclidean or Manhattan distance. This is complexity can sometimes make it harder to sell the result to stakeholders who want a simple answer. Okay, to wrap up things up, which one better? The truth is, there is no universal winner. The better method is the one that fits your specific context. Use SAW when speed matters and the problem is simple and your data is clear and quantitative. And use Topsys for high stakes, complex strategic decision where accuracy and stability are more important than simplicity. And here is a pro tip. Many modern researchers like Sudarsana 2022 are now using hybrid approach. They combine SAW and Topsys to get the best of both worlds. In the end, these methods are just tools. The real magic happens when you match the right tools to the right problem. Thank you for listening and happy decision making.